Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Here's a motivational story about developing self-confidence set in an English village. It's simple and inspiring. In a quiet English village surrounded by green fields and stone cottages, there lived a boy named Oliver. Oliver was kind and hard-working, but he lacked one thing: self-confidence. Every time the teacher asked a question in class, Oliver would look down at his shoes. He was afraid his classmates would laugh if he gave the wrong answer. Even though he knew many answers, he stayed silent. One day, the village school announced a speech competition. The theme was Believe in Yourself. Oliver wanted to join, but his fear stopped him. I can't speak in front of people, he whispered to himself. That evening, his grandfather, who was a retired sailor, saw him looking sad. What's wrong, lad? He asked. Oliver told him about the competition and his fear. His grandfather smiled and said, Do you know how I sailed across the rough sea? I believed I could. The waves were strong, but my belief was stronger. Confidence is not about being the best, it's about trusting yourself. On the day of the competition, Oliver's hands were shaking, but he remembered his grandfather's words. Confidence is trusting yourself. When his turn came, Oliver took a deep breath and began to speak. His voice was soft at first, but as he continued, it grew stronger. He spoke from his heart. When he finished, the whole hall clapped. Oliver didn't win first prize, but he won something far greater: his confidence. From that day on, Oliver never hid his voice again. He learned that self-confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. And in that small English village, Oliver became an inspiration to everyone who once doubted themselves. Self confidence is not something you are born with, it's something you build brick by brick, experience by experience, and challenge by challenge. We often look at successful people and think they are just naturally confident, but the truth is they were once uncertain, scared, and full of doubt just like anyone else. The difference is that they didn't let that doubt control them. Confidence grows when you take action, even when you are afraid. Every time you face a fear, every time you speak up when your voice shakes, every time you try again after failing, your confidence gets stronger. Think about it. No one ever became confident by waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment never comes. You build confidence by stepping out, by learning, by falling, and by rising again. Confidence is not about being perfect, it's about being brave enough to be yourself. So, today, take that first step, speak up, try something new, face your fear, because with every step you take forward, your confidence grows, and soon you will look back and realize how powerful you truly are. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Confidence grows from courage, not perfection. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.